Hello and welcome to this new series, Web Coding Library. The idea behind this series is to build a set of pre-written pieces of code that can be reused for multiple projects as a means to save time and to add some consistency in the way we develop our websites. We'll be focusing on practical examples, and everything we make in those lessons will be suitable for use in everyday projects. For the time being, we'll be using basic web languages, i.e. PHP, JavaScript, and HTML. Later in the series, we may also delve into some of the popular web frameworks, such as Angular. If you need an introduction to those languages I mentioned or to website development, you may refer to my other series, Web Languages in a Nutshell. The libraries will be fully completed before we start looking at them, and the lessons will be about analyzing and explaining their content rather than actually writing them. They will also be uploaded and made available for all viewers. One thing that keeps coming back in most web projects is a database. So our library will be including a crude template, that is, a set of files which will allow us to add database reading and writing capabilities to our websites. We'll also look at some common website layouts and create some templates using CSS and Bootstrap, so it becomes easier to build a website from scratch. The library will also include pieces of code for some common front-end elements, such as a form with all types of input fields. Another thing that involves fairly complicated code and is needed regularly is an asynchronous call, i.e. AJAX. So we'll take a look at this and keep aside a code snippet that can facilitate that kind of operation. AJAX is used to update a page's content using data from a database. In order to manage user registration and login, we'll be preparing a set of database scripts which will create basic tables and stored procedures, as well as some client-side and server-side code to allow the user to sign up or log into our websites. Ultimately, we're going to have a set of subfolders that can be reused to create a complete web application with database capabilities and a solid and consistent user interface. This will allow you to save tremendous time in your web development projects, as a lot of things won't have to be coded from scratch. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the first lesson. Thank you for watching.